It's your boy, Amazing Chef Adrian, and today we are going to be making some delicious tuna melts. Let's go. For this recipe, we will be using 3 cans of drained tuna, 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Cool Runnings garlic and pepper seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Grace Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, 1 red bell pepper, just for some color. If you don't want the red color, or if you don't want it at all, you can change it. A handful of chives, a handful of parsley, and 1 sprig of thyme. I will also be using 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, and you can use salt and pepper to your desire. Now, I'm going to cut the chives. Mix in all your ingredients. Add your herbs, sauce, red bell peppers, and lastly, add your mayonnaise. The reason I like tuna is because it is so flaky and it goes perfect with the cheese. It also gives it that good flavor, and it's not too runny. That's the good thing, because you get that flavor of that juice from it. So when you add the mayonnaise, delicioso. It's just it goes really well with the naan bread, the pepper. It's just perfect. So what you want to do now is you want to make sure it's stirred thoroughly, so every piece that you see is filled with mayonnaise. You don't want it to be dry, because when it goes over the heat, it's gonna get more dry. So you want every piece to have some mayonnaise on it. And that's it. Now you're ready to make your sandwich. Now to make your sandwich. First, what you want to do is you want to take a little bit of cheese and sprinkle it at the bottom. The reason you are doing this is because the cheese kind of acts like the glue, so it keeps the sandwich together. Now, let me put a little bit more cheese, because what won't kill will fatten. And now you put some tuna. First, what you want to do is you want to heat a medium-sized skillet on medium heat. Then add a little bit of butter and spread it evenly on on your medium skillet. Make sure to have a very nice coat. Then, take your tuna sandwiches and place it in the pan. Cook it for a minute on each side, and then you're done. Now that your yummy tuna melts are done cooking, what you want to do is you want to cut them in quarters and place them with some fresh cucumber.